I would say that what we've seen in the past weeks, beyond the initial stockpiling, is a switch from eating out to eating at home. So restaurants and cafes are closed. Schools are closed, so children stay at home, and people who used to go to work at headquarters are now at home also. So this, of course, will have a lockdown that will be lifted from May the 11th in France, but this will be a progressive mood, and we know, for instance, that restaurants will remain closed, and we know that some people will stay at home even after that date. For how long, we don't know, but that's why I said that we expect this trend, the current trend that we're seeing, which is sales up 9% on average on all our banners in the last 4 weeks, and 12% excluding hypermarkets, this trend to continue. And it's particularly strong in the urban formats, proximity formats, and people tend to shop the closest to their home. That's why we have an average 24% growth in our proximity in urban formats.
David, I want to ask you about starting point going into this crisis, because we have spoken to a lot of very strong companies, a lot of cash on balance sheet, but your company, pretty much the opposite. You've been going through this transformation to try and pay down some debt and sell off assets. Did starting point matter as you see this big downturn and obviously challenges getting credit lines at this stage? What do you make of the position your company's been in versus, say, some other much stronger companies?
Well, actually, we are, of course, glad that we did our refinancing in November 2019. So this was done, and we have secured, of course, 2 billion credit lines until 2023, which we don't need to draw much since we have actually cash coming in from our operations. So we have these credit lines, 2 billion until October 23, and also we have secured very important disposals before this lockdown, particularly the disposal of our Leader Price banner, our discount banner in France, as a part of our plan to focus on our urban convenience, premium, and e-commerce formats. So the disposals already done, already signed, total around €1 billion that will cash in this year, and this more than covers our upcoming maturities, bond maturities for 21 and 22. So we're actually in a good position in a financial way, I think.